Captain, before we step onto this gather and build island, tell me, what does assembly make you feel when it means a group meeting, putting parts together, and an organized decision-making body? Meaning 1. A gathering of people, often for a meeting or ceremony, used for people coming together in one place. Example: the crew stood in assembly on the deck for the storm briefing. Common use: school assembly, public assembly, morning assembly. Assembly now. Meaning 2. The act of putting parts together. Construction. Used when you build something by joining pieces. Example: assembly of the new radio mast took 2 hours. Common use: assembly instructions, assembly line, final assembly. Assembly guide. Meaning 3. A formal decision-making group or institution, a legislative or official body, used for an organized body that debates and decides rules. Example: the island assembly voted to close the harbor during high winds. Common use: National Assembly, General Assembly, assembly vote. Assembly vote. Assembly can be people gathering, a meeting, the building process, putting parts together, or the official group that makes decisions. Gather, build, and decide with precision, Captain. Carry assembly for the crew meeting, for putting pieces into a working whole, and for the official body that turns debate into rules as we sail to the next island.